So we're playing Snow World now. Let's see. Yoshi's up first. Let's see how you're gonna do, bro. How you gonna do? Let's see. Okay, getting a pretty big number over here. 40, 50. Not bad, not bad. He's probably winning. That's better than my record right now. See, what about Waluigi? Hey, pretty good. Almost 3,000. Okay, what about us? Let's see. How can we do? No! Okay, let's go. I got stuck for a moment. Sometimes it's like you're spinning your thumb around the buttons, and sometimes it gets stuck and one of the inputs don't work, and you're like, ah, man, now you have to go back. It like gets you off of your groove. But I came back, beat Yoshi, and we got a new record. That's pretty crazy. I'm happy about that.